What up, team? What up, family? What up, world? It's your boy, KOBK Salute, and the KOBK stands for Knocked Out by Knowledge. I am definitely here with my lovely wife. Yes, once again, and we are bringing you guys nothing but the best of our AGB. Yes, and she's going to literally dive into the market. She's going to show you guys the platform, and she's going to explain to you why it is so important to use AGB. Now, listen, guys, we do have our kids in the back. So if the camera goes off or we mute the mic, it's because the wife she got them all, y'all. She's a trooper. She got the two twins up there and she got our Tyler up there holding it down right now. I'm downstairs in the lab. So if you guys see her go off screen, she's taking care of the baby. She's been the woman that she is. So without further ado, we're going to respect everyone's time on here. We will not be on here long. We will not go through the full process of the AGB. We'll pick a couple of pairs and we'll go through there. Then we'll dive directly into finding something on the pocket option using the highly sought after trading strategy, the reckoning. And I'm going to show you guys why everyone is having so much success with the reckoning trading strategy. Now, listen, if you don't want to see it, if you don't want to see how we are able to make money in 10 seconds using that trading style, just go ahead and leave after my lovely wife is done teaching you guys how to identify the trends in the market. But if this is something you want to see because you want to learn how you can make your monthly income in 10 seconds, I highly advise you to stay on the call as we partake in this journey. And what's so cool about this is that I have some scholars that are on the line right now that have been dominating. When I say dominating, I mean literally dominating the markets with this trading style. Listen, guys, they've only been doing it for about 3 or 4 days, and they've already got it down because it's color coordinated. Now, without further ado, I would love to bring up my lovely wife, my beautiful, charming, intellectual wife, Miss Jasmine Curry. Yo, babe, the stage is yours. You do what you got to do. Make sure you unmute your mic, and you got it.
Thank you guys so much. Thank you, babe. You're such an amazing leader, God-fearing man, mighty man of valor. I really appreciate you, who you are, and who you're becoming. All right, family. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to share my screen. I'll be going over AGB. We're looking for a trend for this upcoming week. All right, I'll go over a few different steps that I take in order to do the trend for a few pairs. And all you're going to do is do the same thing over and over and over again. This total process takes about 15 minutes to go through all the pairs. So I'm going to spend a good hot 5 minutes just going over the process of finding the trend. The reason it's important to trade with the trend is because you want to maximize your earning. A lot of people fail because they trade against the trend. So we want to be those that trade with the trends, trade with the whales, with the banks, the financial institutions, so we can maximize our profit by the end of the week. All right. So when I'm looking into a pair, the pairs here, I'm looking at the 1 hour and the 4 hour chart. Those are going to determine my trend for the week. Now, each hour has to agree with one another. The first thing I'm doing is I'm looking for price. If price is above my EMAs, I'm looking, it could be a possible uptrend. And so the line, the EMAs should be aqua, gray, and blue in that order. So the 4 hour does agree. Now I'm going to go to my 1 hour to see if it agrees. So here I locate price. Unfortunately, price is in between my aqua EMA and my gray EMA. So this is a scratch. We're going to move. All right. It's between the sheets. I say. All right. So let's go to another pair. Next, I have AUD and ZD. I locate price. Price is above my EMAs. My EMAs are aqua, gray, blue. So the 1 hour does qualify. Now I go to my 4 hour. I locate price. Price is above my EMAs. I have aqua, gray, blue. So this will be classified as an uptrend. Okay, so this week, this upcoming week, Sunday through Friday, I'm looking for buys with this pair because this pair is buying for the week. All right, so I click my text box, click my chart. I'm going to type buy in green. Change my color to green. All right. Go to another pair. Again, I'm looking to locate price. If price is above my 3 EMAs, I'm looking for a buy for the week. If price is below my EMAs, I'm looking for a sell for the week. And the aqua line should be the closest line, the closest EMA to price. And so here I have my price, it's here, but I have blue aqua gray that's out of order. It is not AGB, so it does not qualify. So I'm gonna keep moving. I locate price. Price is between my gray and my blue EMA, so that does not qualify. I'll go to my next pair. This is GBP NCD. I locate price. Price is above my EMAs. I have aqua gray blue on the 4 hour. That does qualify. When I go to my 1 hour, I have aqua gray blue, so it does qualify as well. So I'll be looking to take buys on GBP NCD this week. All right. Again, first I'm going to locate price. Price is in between my EMAs, so it does not qualify. And here's a great example of price being below my EMAs, okay? When price is below my EMAs, I'm looking for a sell. But the aqua line should be the closest line to the price. But unfortunately, we see that the blue line is closer. It should be aqua gray blue, but it's in the incorrect order, so it does not qualify. All right, here's GBP AUD. Price is below my EMAs. I have aqua gray blue. So this does qualify for a sale for the week if my 4 hour time frame agrees. If I click on my 4 hour, price is in between my EMAs, so therefore it does not meet my standards of being classified as a sale for the week. Okay. So we don't want to force trades in the market. We want those trades to come to us. We set our charts for to be successful. Here we go. We locate price. Price is above my EMAs. I have aqua, blue, gray, but it does not qualify because it's not in the correct order. All right, and this is going to be my last pair that I look at. Actually, let me go to a different one. I can already see that price is in between those EMAs. All right, let's look at this one. Can I get somebody to come off mute and tell me what is the very first thing that I'm looking for when I look at a chart like this? Can somebody come off mute? Talk to me. Say that again.
To see where your candles are, if it's a buy or a sell. The price.
Okay,
the price.
Yes, for price. Thank you so much. I apologize. Yes, I'm looking for price. So once I locate price below those EMAs, this is a possible sale. All right. Now on the 4 hour, it's aqua, gray, blue. So is this the correct order?
Yes.
Yes. And so now I identify that this could be a possible sale for the week. So I go to my 1 hour. Does the 1 hour agree?
Yes.
And why does the 1 hour?
Because it's still below, the price is still below, and aqua is closest to the price. And it's
Correct.
It's in order.
Excellent. Yes. So the 1 hour does agree because aqua is the closest line to price and it's in the correct order. So this will be classified as sale for the week. This pair, CAD Chef. Now, me personally, I'm not a fan of Chef. It's just too inconsistent. But you know, some people like chefs. But yes, you're absolutely correct. For the week, CAD Chef will be classified as a sale because price is located below those EMAs. A lot of people like to look at the EMAs either pushing price down for the sale or pushing price up for the buy. So if the EMAs are on top, price is being pushed down. If the EMAs are on the bottom, price is being pushed upward for the buy. And if you guys don't have any questions, are there any questions? Yes. About the process of looking for trends? Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, can you look at NZD USD, please?
All right. USD, and I can use the Orlando. All right, here we go. NZD USD. All right, what's your question about this pair?
I just want to know if we was gonna hold on this week. That's all. We holding on, baby. We hold on.
Okay, yeah. So price is above my EMA, so I'm looking for a possible buy for the week. Aqua gray, blue, AGB. I looked to see if the 4-hour agrees, and unfortunately, it's in between the sheets. So it looks like it's shifting to a possible fail. But it's just inconsistent. So on the lower time frame, it looks like it's shifted for a buy for the week, but the higher time frame is not agreeing.
Wow.
So
What price is that blue line at?
it's at 0.60146.
Thank you so much.
And are you buying this week or selling?
I am buying, and I'm stuck in between the sheets off of last week, but now I know to adjust my price based off of that blue line now. Thank you.
Yeah, my pleasure. I'm looking at the daily chart. Give me 1 minute to me. All right, so yeah, it can go either way. It could come back to this level and drop, or it could break this level and make it to the next order block. But yeah, so that's the daily chart. But short term, this is the chart short term. So here's another order block. Like I said, it's supposed to come here, drop. It looks like it's making that M. So just be careful. It's fair. All right. Well, that is all that I have for you guys. If you have any questions, I'm more than happy to answer them for you.
I was just wondering if what we just seen there, does that affect us whenever we're looking at like 15-second trades?
All right, so I'm gonna let KLBK answer that question. So does the markup on the Forex chart affect our age effects, right? Our frequency for it?
You got it, babe. You want me to grab it? So when we're marking up when we're doing our trend analysis with the AGB on the Forex side, what that is really doing is giving us the overall direction, the overall trend. So when we're on our binary side and we're looking at, for all you guys that are on, we're looking at our red line. That red line is actually a part of what you just did on the other side. So in a short span of things, no. Because as my wife went to the 4-hour time frame, we seen price continuing to go up. It was going up to the blue line, correct? So on the binary side, price may be going up, then price may be going down. All of that will take place in actually one candle. So then we take that information that we just did with the AGB, and then we also go over to normally the currency strength meter. So when we go over to the currency strength meter, we're looking at that strength, which one is stronger inside of the larger candle to make a good decision to execute a good high probability trade. Now, while doing so, when we're trading 15 seconds, it's not really going to affect things too much because we are trading the 15 seconds. So to answer your question, the answer is yes and no. But since we're doing 15 seconds, I'm going to say no. But the overall picture, absolutely. That answer your question, Ellie?
Yes, thank you.
Okay. So what the wife just showed me, I know that I'm going to change my take profit now just a little bit because I know the level that it's actually going to. Jason, this is actually the trade that I was talking to you about on Friday that I was in, actually.
Okay.
Cool. So now let's get to what everybody wants. I'm going to go ahead and go through the list slideshow. We're going to go ahead and go over the reckoning, and then we're going to dive into it. So I do have my slides, and I just want to go over this with you guys. I know we do have some new people here, so I will go over the basic of how we're going to be looking at everything and what we're going to be looking for. Let's go ahead and get to it. All right, we know that. Cool. So one of the main things we do prior to trading anything, I don't care if it's stocks, if it's commodities, binary options, if it's Forex, we're going to go check out the Forex news. And where do we find Forex news? We go to forexfactory.com, and this is what it looks like. So as soon as you come to this website, obviously you're going to look at the day on here. When I took this screenshot, it was November 3rd, but the day that you look at it, it's going to be the current day that you're on. And what you're looking for is right here, you have red folders. If you see red folders, stay away from the red folders. Do not trade that currency pair. As you see, here's the title, says currency, EUR, GBP, CAD. So CAD and USD on this day at 8:30 a.m. had impactful news coming out. So when that happens at that time frame, you just stay away from those pairs. Now we have yellow folders, and then we also have orange folders. Those are low impact news. So we can trade those pairs. You don't have to be fearful of trading those pairs. The other thing we're going to do is we're going to go over the currency strength meter. The currency strength meter is going to actually tell you how strong a certain currency is. So right here, you see my little guy, he's pointing at NZD. NZD is maxed out to the top. That means that currency strength is super strong. So no matter what currency pair I pair that with, I want to favor the NZD pair. So if I'm looking at this, I'm looking to say, which one's the weakest? Which one's the weakest right now, guys? If you're looking at this, we got AUD CAD. I'm sorry, we have AUD, we have CAD, we have CHF, EUR, GBP, JPY, NZD, and USD. Who can tell me which one's the strongest?
NZ. Strongest is NZD.
And which one's the weakest?
USD.
So I want to pair those two currencies. So when you're looking at the currencies, it's actually NZD versus USD. So if NZD is the strongest, I'm going to buy NZD. I don't care what USD is doing. I don't care if it's look like it's selling. I'm going to wait for the prime opportunity to hop into a position on NZD and ride the wave because it's super strong. For those of you guys who've been trading with me, when we find a wave, we all like those waves, right? When we find that good entry, those waves come from things like this. If we know NZD is stronger and we catch a wave, we're going to ride that wave. And sometimes you can see that wave will go for about 15 minutes. So we're taking trades every 10 seconds. You can ride that wave for the full 15 minutes if you chose to. Now, the broker that we're going to use the broker Pocket Options. Now, you can go over there. I'll put a link in the description for you guys. If you've never been there before, you want to create a new broker over there. And I do have a bonus for you guys. If you ever decide to go live, they'll match whatever you put into that account up to 50%. Now, I tell every single body when we first start off, I want you on your demo account, your demo. I know a lot of you guys want to hop into that live account and get to the money, but just know this: if you don't have the proper skill set, the proper knowledge, you're literally throwing your money out the window. You might as well drive down the street and throw your purse and your wallet out the window because they're going to eat it up. They're going to take it. I want you guys to look at the market like this. I heard my pastor just recently say, it was during men's ministry, and there was a lion on the hill, and that lion is the market. And then there was a little gazelle. That lion doesn't go for the gazelle that's not in the herd. That lion goes for the gazelle that's solo. That's the way the market is looking at you guys. When you trade against the trend, you're that solo gazelle. But when you trade with the trend, you're that gazelle in the herd. You're protected. And the reason you're protected is because you have the hedge funds behind you. You have the major corporations behind you. They're putting millions of dollars into the market, and you're just trying to get a little bit. And that's why you trade with them. So you go over there, you create your free account. As soon as you're done registering, you're going to get something like this. You're going to be on your demo account. And this is the way it's going to look when you first start off. Now, this right here is called a line graph. And the reason I want you guys here is because they're going to give you fictitious money first to play around with. So hone in on your skill, hone in on your craft, perfect your entries when looking into the market. Now, I want you to practice as if this is real money. It's very crucial. Now, we're going to change some things. Now, I want you guys to look at this right here. this strategy that I'm showing you right now, we literally teach this strategy to kids in school, and I'm gonna break it down. That red line on this chart, you guys see green candles and red candles. If these candles are above that red line, you are looking to buy. If the candles are below the red line, you are looking to sell. Do you guys follow? You guys follow me? You know, I like class participation. I need to know if you guys follow me,
Yes,
because
sir.
if you don't, I'm gonna stop.
Yes, sir.
I'm doing this for you. I want to make sure you get this. So when you're looking at the chart and you're looking at the candles, you're like, yo, there it is. I'm gonna buy. Oh, it's above. I'm gonna buy. Oh, it's underneath. I'm looking to sell. All I'm doing right now is building up your trading muscle. So when you look at a chart, you're able to identify what's going on and then make an executive decision on the analysis that you see displayed on the chart. This line right here is called EMA, stands for exponential moving average. Now, these are called fractals. You guys see the triangles, green triangle, red triangles?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Does everybody have their driver's license? Everybody has his driver's license, right?
Yes.
Everybody
Yes.
know what green means, right? Means go, right?
Go.
Red means
Yes.
stop, right?
Stop.
Okay, when you're trading, I want you to forget that right here, right now, okay? And the reason is I've embedded a caution system in this trading style. I've embedded a slow down system. So this right here, these triangles and everything else I'm about to explain to you is your yellow light. It's your caution. It's your take a break, because the market wants to get my money and I want to be sure about what's going on. Now, the way this works, when you get a green triangle, that is telling you that the market has been buying. It's bought so much that it's ready to turn around and sell off. When you get a red triangle, that's telling you that the market's been selling so much that it's ready to turn around. You guys understand? So look, I just want to point here real quick. We got a green triangle, right? You guys see that?
Yes.
That is saying we've went so high, we're ready to turn around. Look what happened here. Red candle. We got a red triangle here, right? The market's been selling so much, it's ready to turn around. Now, if you were just looking at this just based off the triangles, do you think you guys can identify when to keep going and when to stop? Could you guys do that? So if I have a green triangle, what is that telling me?
Slow down.
Slow down. What is the market getting ready to do?
Turn around.
Absolutely, guys. You guys are passing. You guys have been doing this before. If I have a red triangle, what is that telling me?
Pause.
Yep. What is the market getting ready to do?
About to buy. About to turn
Okay.
around.
Okay. Listen, you guys are on fire. You guys are on fire. So remember, we had a red line right here, right? So if I have a red line and my candles are above my red line, I want to do what?
Buy.
So now if I go over here and I have a red triangle, and red triangle means what?
Caution.
Practical.
Yep.
And what does the market want to do?
Buy.
So now we're compounding our knowledge right now. So if my candles are above my red line, and then I get a red triangle telling me that the market wants to buy, that's two indications that I'm looking for a buy. Do you guys follow me?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Now I have candles down here, right? These are my candles. Everything must line up. This strategy is color coordinated. When you see green, that's telling you that the market is buying. If you see red, that's telling you that the market is selling. So we're going to line everything up. So if I have my red line and my candles are above my red line, that's telling me it's a buy. Then I look down here, and if I have green, that's telling me buy. So that's another confirmation that I should be buying. If these were red and my candles were above my red line, I'm not going to do anything, because we want all confirmations to go. Everything must go. So if it's green, everything must be green. If it's red, everything must be red. And then I have my beautiful vortex line right here. This right here tells you guys who's in control of the market. Now, there's only two people in control of the market, either the buyers or the sellers. The green, when the green's on top of the red, like you see here, that's telling you that the buyers are in control. If the red was on top, that is telling you that the sellers are in control. As you guys see, green line on top, green candles, I'm buying every single trade. Now look, as you see on my time frame here, these are 5-minute candles. So every single candle is 5 minutes. We're only taking 10-second trades, guys. We're going to change our candle times to 15 seconds, be in one candle for 10 seconds, get our money, get out, and wait for the next candle to tell us what's going on to potentially continue taking another trade. Now, I'm going to add all these to the chart. We're going to put all that information that we just gathered onto one chart because I truly believe that you guys are ready. You guys told me what's going on. You guys told me what we're looking for. It might be a test at the end of this. I'm just saying. So this right here is the platform pocket options, right? So we come over here. We switch our candles to hike and ash, and I'll explain why a little bit later. But what it does is it filters out the noise, and it makes it really, really easy for you guys to identify if you should be buying or if you should be selling. And then we change our candle time right here to S15. S15 means 15 seconds. Now, I know some of you guys on here are new. Some of you guys just bought the strategy. If you want to, you can start applying this right here. Then I'll get with you after so we can go over the settings that you purchased. Then you come down here to the bottom. You're going to enable the timer. You're going to enable your auto scroll, enable your grid snap. All these are very crucial to when you trade. Enable this timer. It populates the timer right there. So when that candle opens, you actually see how much time is left on that candle. Over here on the right-hand side, guys, we got my arrows right here. We got the time right here. We're going to be taking 10-second trades. And then right here is our money sign. You can actually change that. So you can change a percentage of your account versus a dollar amount. Then right here, we have different payouts. Now, I truly love taking the trades that pay out 92%, more bang for my buck. But currently right here, it's paying out 86%. So if I was to invest $1,000 on this trade, I'm going to profit $860. So I'm going to get my $1,000 back, and then they're going to give me $860 because I executed a successful trade. This right here are our currency strength meter. I'm sorry, these are our currencies. So right here, just like on TradingView, the currency is located in the top left-hand corner. So this is CAD JPY. That's the Canadian dollar versus the Japanese yen. We're not doing stocks. We're doing currencies right here. Money's revolving all the time. But you can trade different things. You can do currencies, cryptocurrencies, commodities, stocks, indices, and more, right? So once you start starring these, this is what I like to do, guys. I open it up and I star my first couple of pairs. By me starring these, they populate at the top. So now when I'm looking for my ideal setup, I can just click through every single one until I find the proper setup. And then I pay attention to my payouts, 92% for me. So previously, I would do 75% and higher. But this strategy is so dominant, I want the 92% every time. And if I don't see a setup, I'm not going to force a setup. You don't have to force a trade. You let the trade come to you. So I'll sit back, I'll wait, I'll go do something else and let it come to me. So this right here is a quick video of me using one of my other strategies. This is a 2-minute strategy, the Xenosuit strategy. I'm looking for a setup. I'm waiting for my entry, and I just want to show you guys what's it's like when you find a wave. So you see me taking a couple $1,000 trades, right? But once I find that setup, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. Then you just start clearing every single trade. And then if something shifts in the market, I pause my caution and I wait for the next setup. So all you guys that have purchased or that will purchase this, you guys get this right here, plus a little bit more with one-on-one trading with me, helping you actually set this up on your chart and go from there. We're gonna go. If you guys entered that trade, you should be in profit. Who's in profit right now? If you're in profit, say profit. Whoa, whoa, whoa! The whole class in you in profit? Yeah. Mama, is she in profit? Yeah. It's out of profit now. It's red. What are we gonna do, y'all? What are we? No. We're gonna be patient. See, you're back in profit. You're green. See that? Profit. It seemed like a short time, but then Mom, are you in profit? Yes. Yo! So I shared that with you guys. Did you guys hear that? Could you guys hear that?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
I shared that with you guys because that was actually a private school. My brother and myself, we got flown out to Vegas to do an event for a private charter school. It was over 50 kids there, and we would rotate the kids and their parents in different sections to show them how to trade. A lot of them have never done this before, so that's what we were showing them, just giving them the basics in the beginning, right? So this right here was my website. I actually transitioned my website to a brand new website that brought more out to you guys. The prices have increased. I also now have the option for anybody that wants to partake in a strategy to make payments, weekly payments, monthly payments, based on whatever you want to select. Now let's get to it. So what I would like to do is I would like Jason and Wendy to actually speak real quick, because these two young individuals literally just started doing this last week, and they've been dominating the market, guys. Like, I listen, guys, I'm being transparent. I never met these two individuals a day in my life, but now it's not like they are family. And it's not just because they purchased the strategy. No, just their love, their heart, their compassion, how they are towards each other, how they're raising their children. It's simply phenomenal. And just the will to want something more out of life, the desire to know that they deserve more. They know more is coming to them. They're putting in the time. They're putting in the patience. Listen, guys, I've been doing this, me personally. I've been trading Forex for over 10 years. The strategies that I've created for you guys, they take that out of the way. It shortens the learning curve. All you have to do is be disciplined, be obedient, and show up and follow the steps. Don't try to do it your way, because if you do it your way, you will fail. It's just that simple. You will fail. Do it the way the strategy was designed, and I promise if you do it that way, you will have success. Now, I don't make a lot of promises, but I am telling you, if you do what the strategy is intended for, and you show up to class and you listen, you pay attention, you will have success with this strategy. Now, I would like Jason and Wendy, if you guys are available to come up to speak. I mean, your guys' story is simply amazing. It really is. There's not a lot of individuals who I can say those type of things about them like I just did about you guys, that just come into the market and just dominate like that, without having hiccups. Jason, Wendy, are you guys available?
Oh yeah, we're here.
Yeah, we're here.
I'm gonna mute my mic. I'm gonna mute my mic because I know, hey Jason, I know how Wendy get. I know how she get. Crispy on fire. But I'm gonna be quiet, man. And you guys, I just really want you to be transparent with every individual on here. If you had struggles, your struggles, like if you had any issues with me, your trading journey, just be transparent, be real, because the people love authenticity, and that's what you guys bring. So the floor is yours.
Hey everybody. Hi, good evening. Good evening. So yes, as Curry mentioned, we literally got into this last week. My good friend Yolanda called me, and I'm a nurse, I'm a traveler, and I actually got into a car accident. I got injured, and my contract was abruptly ended due to my medical issues. And that evening when Yolanda called, it was like divine intervention. I wasn't able to walk, so my little son, my 9-year-old superstar, soccer, and also in the classroom, he was like, "Mommy, I'm gonna go with you to the store." So he came with me because I had to sit in those motorized carts, and he pulled. And as I drove that, he was pushing the cart and putting stuff in the cart for me. And I was speaking with Yolanda, and she said to me, "Have you ever thought about trading?" I was like, "Absolutely. My husband and I were looking for something, but it's just so hard." Me personally, when I get into something, I need somebody to hold my hand. Like, I know that I'm smart, but at the same time, I need to feel like you're here helping, walking me through it. And I'm not, and don't make me feel stupid or like I'm bothering you. She was like, "Wendy, the way he has his program, if you put in the time and the effort, you will get it." So obviously, I came home and I told my hubby, "I'm my baby. I just spoke to my friend, and this is what she said." And she sent me all these videos. And that night, before we went to bed, we watched the videos. And then I think I was texting Yolanda up to like midnight. And then the next morning, we got onto the Zoom call and we purchased. And it's been the best thing that we've done. And my husband, of course, he picked it up like within seconds. And I knew he would. He's so smart and he just gets things. And it took me at least 2-3 days. Like I got it at first, but I was like confusing myself. And he was like, "Babe, no, like you're adding too much. It's boom, boom, boom." I was like, "Oh my God, I get it." And then
Yeah. So just to piggyback a little, like it's been working for us great. We've been on a demo account, I've been making some great wins. We just started with our live account. We had to go through a training process or a test process. And you got to make sure, like you said, that you're confident. You got to leave emotions out of it. You got to have a plan. You got to have a strategy. Stick to the strategy. Don't divert. If it's not a sell, don't sell. If it's not a buy, don't buy. Just don't erase emotions and have patience.
Yep. Just watch it.
And just follow the script and you'll be okay. And he's there to hold your hand and help you. You got questions, he's reachable.
Oh my God, that's the best part.
So that's the best part.
Yes.
I know a lot of people that do investments, they just take your money and they're unfound, they're unavailable and it leaves you hanging. And this is not the case over here, which is great. And that's what I got to say about it. It's a great investment. And once you follow the strategy, it's going to be a win.
Man, you guys drop some sevens in the chat. Listen, when I tell you that couple is dynamic, that's an understatement. And I didn't have them talk just to talk. I wanted you guys to hear the authenticity behind the individuals who are doing this. And when my brother said a test, the test is crucial. When I tell you guys I want you in your demo account first, it's because I want you to get this. And like he said, I'm not going to leave you. I'm here with you. I do this every single day, Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you show up, I'm there. If you don't show up, I'm there. Regardless, I'm going to be here. That's my word to you guys, unless God forbid something else happens where I can't be there. But what's so beautiful about this is that the students are learning this so well. It's really getting to the point where I don't have to be there because the students are able to identify what's going on in the market and call trades out. And then I'll go over there and look like, yo, that's a good trade. That's a banking trade. Jason and Wendy have both done that multiple times. Nelly has done that multiple times. So, and I understand, and this is my heart out to you guys because I understand what it's like to give your money to someone, your hard-earned money to someone, and they're not there. It's one of the worst feelings in the world. Or to give your money to an individual and you're too scared to ask a question because you may think it's dumb. And I'm going to pause right there because I want Nelly to unmute her mic because Nelly was able to ask me a question and it changed the trajectory of everything with one of my strategies. Nelly, are you available to talk? And Nelly she might not be able to talk. Nelly, are you there? Okay. So what we're going to do with all that's done, I'm about to go ahead and dive into the reckoning strategy, show you guys what's going on. I'm going to look for a trade. The best time to trade this strategy really is Monday through Friday. I have multiple different strategies that work for different time zone, but I want to see what I can find in the market. Jason and Wendy, if you guys pull yours up, see what you can find. Let's talk something out and let's show it to the people and go from there.
Let's go.
Ooh, hey, we're gonna do a competition too. I like competitions, just letting y'all know. We're gonna do a competition. Yeah. Okay, so I do have. All right, so let me share my screen with you guys. No, and Jason, he already in 12 trades over there.
How you know?
All right, guys. So this is what the platform pocket options look like. Let me change my time. Go to S15. We're going to go down to 10 seconds. I already have my indicators on my chart. Guys, listen, this is all you need on your chart. It seems like a lot, but it's not. And what I want to do for you guys real quick, those of you that are new, I'm just going to switch it to line, right? There's a little ball on this chart. If I hit the up button, I want that ball to be above where I enter. If I hit the down button, the red button, the terminology is put, I want that ball to be below. So we already know what that red line is, right? So real quick, should I push the red button or a green button real quick for 10 seconds? Who can tell me?
Red.
Red.
Okay, cool.
Red.
I'm gonna push the red. So there's our ball, right? I pushed the red. Now let's see if I clear this trade. I might win, I might not. We're in profit. We're in profit. There's a timer. Oh, we just came out of profit. So I took a lesson on that trade. Oh no, I lost. Now, I did that because I want to show you guys it's not just about using just that line and pushing a button. You only have two choices, right? You got a green and a red button. So you have a 50% chance of being right. But what I'm here to show you is that we're going to increase your odds of just being 50% correct. What if I can show you how to be 85 to 90% accurate or higher with this strategy? And that's exactly what I'm going to show you. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Hike and Ash. I'm going to enable everything over here like we said before. And then I'm going to come over here to my currencies. I'm going to star these like I told you guys so they populate at the top of my screen. And I just want to find one setting, one setup. The beautiful thing about this, guys, when you find one, that's all you really need to trade. When you find everything the exact way. Now, let's look for a trade. So you guys see my candles right here, right? Are they above or below that red line?
Above.
So I should be looking to do what?
Buy.
I should be looking to hit that green button. Now it's dropping down, right? So if that candle closes below my red line right here, what will I be looking to do?
No.
All right. And I'm going to change my time zone. We're going to go my candle time. We're going to go to 15 seconds. And it looks like I will take this trade. I really just missed the entry. I want to find the idea setup. Let's see here. Let me find one.
We got a downtrend on Euro TRY.
On which one, brother?
Euro TRY.
Try. Let's see.
We
do. Oh, these are continuations, but it's about to reverse.
Continuations,
It's about to reverse. It's about to reverse. Hold on. I seen something right here. Guys, I am looking at GJ. Looking at GJ. I'm going to enter GJ on this next one for 10 seconds. Oh, I don't want to do that. I want to increase my amount. All right, so now I'm going to wait. This was my entry. Now, listen, guys, with this boom, I'm going right there. With this strategy, you don't win every trade, but we win way more. So I'm up $1,920. I'm going to enter again, taking another one, boom, in that trade. That's a clear. That's a win, right? $1,920. Now it pulled back, so I'm going to pause now. So with this strategy, it's telling me to pause right now because of the way this candle is. I'm not going to enter this trade right now. I'm going to wait. And as we see, it's coming down. Boom, caution symbol. There's my triangle. That triangle means what, guys? That the market wants to go the other way. And that's exactly what you're seeing right now. You're seeing the market going the other way. Now, for my guys that have been here, we know that it came and hit the money line, correct?
Yep.
It touched that money line. Here's my next level. So we're going to be patient, right? We're going to be patient. What are we looking for? Who can tell me what we're looking for right now? There we go. There we
For it
go.
to close below the red line,
Absolutely. So it just did that. So what type of trade are we looking for right now?
a sell.
Absolutely. Jason, this is for you. What am I looking for before I enter this trade?
For it to break that fractal.
Absolutely. I'm waiting for it to break this fractal. When it breaks that fractal, we are taking this trade and we're going to ride it until it tells us to get out, until it tells us to abort mission, until it gives us a caution. If it doesn't do that, we're going to just keep trading. So now we just got a fractal that's telling me the market wants to turn around and now have a green candle. I'm not going to take this trade. Now, the candle is above that red line, but I'm red here and the red's on top. I'm not going to take this trade. I'm going to be patient. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait till this closes green. Wait till this is green here. And then I'm going to wait till the green line is on top of the red. Once all that happens, I will enter the trade. We're getting ready to set up. As you guys see, we got green here. We got green here. We're getting ready to cross. And Jason, I might take a trade going to this level right here where that triangle is. We're going to watch and see. There's a fractal. I need to be patient. That's a warning. That's a caution for you guys to tell you do not trade yet. Just wait. So when this happens, what I like to do is I really like for this candle to go above that triangle. There we go. So we have an indecisive candle. Let's be patient. I'm just being patient. I already made $1,920. I don't need to rush a trade right now. I'm waiting for the idea setup. I'm waiting. And normally I would go to another pair because I don't like to watch a pair, because these opportunities present themselves so much in the market that I can find another one. But if you're patient on one pair and you're watching that one pair, when it makes its move, you'll be able to catch every single trade going down. Oh, excuse me. So here we go. We're setting up for a sell. I'm being patient. We got buyers in the market. It's pushing it up. Now, we are trading OTC right now. That is the synthetic market on the weekends. A lot of people don't like to trade that because the broker can manipulate this market. But that's why the strategy is better Monday through Friday. But if you be patient and you wait for the setup like this right here, you can catch a couple trades. Here we go. We got green. I'm waiting on my green candle here. Then I'm going to enter the trade. I'm looking to enter GJ for a 10-second call, possibly. Patient. Nope, not yet. Look, that's a caution. It's red. I'm not going to answer the trade. It's not ready.
Check Euro USDT. USD. Euro
All right.
USD.
And you are. So
You got to break a fractal and you're good.
okay. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a buy. That's a buy. That's a buy. That's a buy. So I'm in EUR USD. As you guys see, we're in profit on that trade right there, $1,920. We're going to take the next trade. Boom. That's a clear. I'm taking that one as well. Let's go. Push me up. Push me up. Push me up. Boom. We're in profit. $1,920. Let's go. Let's go. And I'm going to ride the wave now. Now you guys are going to see me ride the wave. Now I do see fractals over here, right? That's a caution, but nothing's telling me to get out. So I'm going to continue to take the trade. Now, for my guys who've been on the call, this candle was low. This candle did not create a higher high. So I know I have a high probability of losing this trade. I'm not going to enter the next one yet. Not yet. That's red. Boom. Fractal. Caution. I'm done. I'm done. That's enough. I'm going to walk away. I'm going to walk away. I'm done. That's it. Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Was I sharing my screen? Was y'all seeing my screen?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, just making sure. Just making sure. Just making sure. All right. So, that being said, I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys on this call, the ones who are tuning in from Instagram, from Facebook, from Zoom, and YouTube. I appreciate every single one of you guys. It's been fun. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. For all of you guys that are immediate on this Zoom, please stay on this Zoom and I will answer those questions for you. But let me bring my lovely wife up because I know she got some fire for y'all. I know she do. All right, Bae, it's yours. Go ahead and close us out, sweetie.
All right, thanks, babe. Yeah, that was a fire session. I just want you guys to know that a good strategy typically has an accuracy between 35 to 60%. And we've been testing it out, and we're in the high 70s accuracy. Correct me if I'm wrong, man.
It's higher than that.
But
It's much higher.
yeah. So accuracy is crazy. And like I said, the average trader is looking for a 35 to 45% accuracy strategy. Step. All right, and that's what I have for you guys.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you so much. Hey, Jason, can you tell everybody your highest success rate when you first started? How many did you go out of how many?
I think it was like 18 out of 24.
18 out of 24, guys.
Yeah.
18 wins, 24 losses using that strategy.
No, out of 24 total trades, I won 18.
That's beautiful. That's
Yeah.
amazing. So, but anyway, appreciate you guys. You guys stay on the line. And for those of you tuning in, we will see you guys Monday, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on my Zoom. I'll put the job form link down below so you guys can register for the event. And then once I see that, I'll give you the rest of the information because everything will be inside of that form when I respond to you. It's your boy. Nope, let me change. It's Mr. and Mrs. Curry with the AGB Hybrid Advanced class, and we'll talk to you guys later. Sheesh.